It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and we at the Greater Vernon Chamber are extremely excited. It is disappointing this year that we can't all get together and have our usual Christmas luncheon, but we found another way to spread Christmas cheer, and that's with the Merriment experiment sponsored by Okanagan Restoration Services. It's basically a Secret Santa for business. Who doesn't want to get involved in that? Basically, you get the opportunity to receive somebody's name at random. You're gonna buy them a present. It could be a gift from your own store to promote your business, or you can go and buy a gift locally from somewhere else. Has to be local though. And you in return are gonna receive a surprise gift as well. So who doesn't love the idea of giving gifts, receiving gifts, especially locally? It gives you the opportunity to make a meaningful connection with somebody else. And maybe best of all, 100% of your registration goes to support a local family in need during Christmas through NOIFIS. So get on board, register today for the Merriment experiment, and help us spread Christmas cheer this holiday season.